So hello friends, welcome back to the channel again, and this time I've come with another startling book, that is The Hidden Horizons, Unearthing 10,000 Years of Indian Culture. So this book actually I bought from a bookstore in Akshardham, Delhi, and this is an indigenous book published by BAPS International of Akshardham. So this book generally talks about the whole Indian history and the culture of 10,000 years. I have read this book and I bought it on 19 September 2021 and have given this rating 4.7 out of 5. So this book is really amazing. If you see, it's one of the quite rare book like this. It's in a categorical shape, as you can see, like a scrapbook. And the best thing about this book is that it completely leads to a different a genre of history. If you see, it starts with the Empire of the Spirit, where it talks about the spirituality in Hinduism, and then it leads to the natural history, which takes to back to the 10,000 years ago what happened, and it talks about Indus Valley civilization and gives an overview of a new civilization, an older civilization which is not known by many, that is Saraswati civilization. So that's really an amazing book, from which I got to know something new. And the best thing about this book was also that Aryan fantasy, that it means that it completely rejected the Aryan invasion and migration, which is mostly a part of the academics. And then it takes to the issues of language, how Sanskrit how is the most sophisticated, and even the language used by God, it leads to that. And then about the natural history to the recorded history, then the Vedic Saraswati culture, as I told you earlier, and then it leads to the chronology, and it talks about some Bhagavad Gita and Vedas and Upanishads, which tells, and it also leads to some science in ancient India, which tells about like the speed of light was earlier calculated in the Rig Veda first, and how India was a great civilization. So this book is really an amazing. If you see, it also has some pictures in between for better illustration and understanding. Also, it contains some maps. And yeah, let me tell you one thing also. I just searched it on the phone and I found that the cost of this book on Amazon was 9,700. So don't buy it online, but yes, if you live near Akshardham, or if you ever make a plan, then you can buy this book there. I got this in 250 at a very nominal price. So this was the review. Thank you.